Hey guys, it's Bianca here, and welcome to another video of solving a Rubik's Cube. I only posted one video of solving a Rubik's Cube, but yeah, I haven't posted long form videos in a while, so let's solve the cube. So guys, I have a stopwatch with me, and let's start. 3, 2, 1. Right. This cube is already mixed up, and let's start. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, it's starting. Oh no, I haven't even. Okay, you gotta solve the white side directly. Oh, don't want to destroy ya. I messed up. Oof. Okay, gotta put the white one here. Okay, got all the colors done. Now we gotta put them all down. Okay, that was fast. Okay, good. 35 seconds so far. Okay, done the bottom row. Now let's do the top row. I mean the yellow side. Okay, did the cross. Now let's. Okay, now we switch these two. Now we gotta flip them over. Okay, did that. Now let's solve. Oh no, I messed up. I gotta do. Oh no, I messed up. Okay. Stop. Okay. Ready, solve the whole cube. Why is it so blurry? Yes, now it's better, guys. It took me about 1 minute and 54 seconds. So yeah. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.